Brought to you by Standard Bank, the bank for entrepreneurs.
For new entrants entering into the agricultural market, part of getting in there is to have a proper business plan. Often you find business plans that refer quite a lot or is focused quite a lot on the capacity of the specific individual that would drive this business. That is nice to have that information, but critical for a business plan is that you display the necessary insight regarding the financial performance of that business going forward. Now, having said that, normally people tend to overstate the potential from an income perspective and understate the cost structure within that business. So when you look at your business plan, part of a business plan is amongst other the cash flow that you need to provide, and you need to extrapolate that cash flow over a period of time. Because you're in agriculture, and agriculture's tenure is of such a nature that you can't just simply look at 1 year. You have to look at it over a period of time, depending on the type of product that you produce. In doing so, you need to make sure that you then not just only look at current prices, but that you use, for instance, average prices, because prices in agriculture have a cyclical nature, and that you use an average price over a period of time so that you build in a natural hedge for yourself in terms of not overstating your income. Once you've done that, you should actually go one step further and then apply some stress to that cash flow, where you then either reduce your price or your yield, or a combination thereof, or you go and inflate your costs to see what the implication would be if you really hit a bad year. 2014, 2015 was a difficult year for the grain industry, specifically in the dryland environment. And in such an environment, if you have planned only at the top end, you will find yourself wanting insofar as the bottom line is concerned. So if you've done your planning properly and you have built in proper stress scenarios into that, then you would have an idea before you start at what point in time will I hit the break-even point, and then go below that, and then what do you need to do.
Brought to you by Standard Bank, the bank for entrepreneurs. Standard Bank. Moving forward.